Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the topic, the right list of your documents for your virtual data rooms. What is a VDR? A VDR is a secure online repository for storing and sharing confidential documents. Virtual data rooms are typically used during merger and acquisition, fundraising, and other business transactions where multiple parties need to have access to sensitive information. What documents should be included in a VDR? The specific document should be included in a VDR will vary depending on the nature of the transactions and the requirements of the other parties involved. However, there are some general categories of documents that are typically included in virtual data rooms, such as financial statements. This includes audited financial statements as well as unaudited financial statement for most recent period. Business plan. This should provide a high level of overview of the company business model, strategy, and financial projections. Company's documents. This includes company's architects of incorporations, bylaws, and other corporate documents. Intellectual property. This includes patent, trademarks, copyrights, and other intellectual property assets. Contracts. This includes material contracts such as customer contracts, vendor contracts, employment contracts. Legal documents. This includes any pending or past litigation as well as any other relevant legal documents. Here are some additional types of documents that may be included in a VDR depending on the specific needs of the translations. Marketing materials. This includes brochures, website content, and other marketing materials that can be used to provide potential investor or buyer with a better understanding of the company product or services. Human resource documents. This includes employee handbooks, job descriptions, and other HR documents that can be used to assess the company culture and management teams. Technical documents. This includes product specification, engineering drawing, and other technical documents that can be used to assess the company technology and products. Here are some additional tips for creating a VDR. Use a VDR that offers a high level of security and compliance. Create a user-friendly VDR structure. Index all of your documents so that user can easily find what they need. Set permission to control who has access to which document. Monitor the audit trail to track who has access to which document and when. I encourage you to take your time to create a comprehensive and well-organized VDR. A VDR can help you to make a good impression on potential investor or buyers, streamline the due diligence process. Conclusions. The right list of documents for your VDR will vary depending on the nature of translations by requirements of their parties involved. However, the tips above, you can ensure that your VDR includes all the necessary documents and that they organize in a logical way. That's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye everyone.